Welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and this is my 2000 Jeep Cherokee. Today, all we're going to be doing is an oil change. You know, most of the other videos we've done have been changing stuff, but today's just maintenance. I've never actually done an oil change. Normally, I'm lucky enough to get somebody else to do it, but I feel like oil changes are one of those things that if you learn how to do, it saves you a lot of money. So Jeep needs 6 quarts of 10W30. You need an oil filter and then something to drain the oil in. I'm excited to see if I can do it without getting completely oiled. We are going to take out the oil drain plug. Okay, so you loosen it to hand tight, and then you're gonna push in while you loosen it to try to not get oil everywhere. And I didn't get oil all over me, probably because it's freezing and the oil's low. So now you just let it drain. Because it is freezing, it is gonna take a little while, so see you in a minute. So here's the oil filter. Got the new filter. Put all the oil. And now those both are back on, so we just need to fill up the oil. The 1 quart first. Oh, Jesus. Oh. And this is why I'm not allowed to do anything. All right, take out the funnel, and then I'm gonna have to clean up my mess. All right, so I cleaned up my mess. Just have a well-oiled machine over here now. Oil change is done. It really wasn't that hard. I am impressed that I did not get oil on myself when I took out the bolt, but I'm not impressed with how I put the oil in. Anyway, so I hope you guys come back next week. I will be doing a multi-light control. We're gonna put multiple lights and some other accessories on the Jeep later. So, and then we still have a bunch of other things that need to be done. So I hope y'all subscribe below, and I'll see you next week.